Well, it's springtime and we want to welcome you back to the Belvedere Golf and Country Club for what promises to be another memorable year of golf. Right now we're showing you Belvedere's signature hole, the iconic 7th, a challenging par 3 that doubles as the finishing hole at the annual club championship, where our women, our men and our youth, longtime members and newcomers alike, compete for a chance at glory. Who can forget that humbling moment when newcomer Brad Armstrong finished the tournament solidly in last place, only to return the following year and go on to victory as he won the men's high handicap division with the lowest net score. Even though there is no trophy for that, he received many high fives, attaboys, and pats on the back. One member even called him a sandbagger. It truly was his proudest moment. These are the traditions of golf that keep you coming back for more.